Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable cat with spots. Isn't she just too cute? Let's start by drawing her body, head, and tail. Grab your pencil, and let's get started. Now for the fun part, coloring. Let's start by coloring the cat's body white. The spots on her fur should be a mix of brown and orange. Don't forget to color her collar red with a yellow bell on it, and the eyes should be black with white pupils. You're doing an amazing job. Keep coloring. Look at that! Our cat is all finished and looks so cute with her colorful spots and color. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro artist in no time. See you next time for more fun drawings. Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this cute apple with a friendly little worm inside. Isn't that just adorable? Let's start by drawing the apple shape. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. Now it's time to color. Start by coloring the apple bright red. The leaf can be green, and the worm should be orange with a little smile on its face. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going. Look at that! Our apple with the cute worm is all finished, and it looks so fun. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawing adventures.